Hey, and welcome to Alpha. In this video, we're going to run binary option robot, Alpha 1 AIBot. You can use this robot also completely for free. Just sign up with the link you see up there right now, or you can just use the link you find below the video. Also below the video, you find our promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit, so make your first deposit count. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. But now, let's start up Alpha 1 AIBot. And there we have it, $154 in a matter of 7 minutes. And that was a picture perfect entry. We entered exactly when we started to go downwards. So if you want to use this robot also, just push this robot thing you see here now and you can register and get started today. Or just use the link you find below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.